Good morning. Another day at Cemaes Bay. It's Bank Holiday Monday. Weather's a bit crap and the winds are forecast to pick up, but I couldn't resist trying to get out for a few hours. Worst case scenario, we have to come in a bit earlier, but a couple of hours, needed. I'm sure you all understand. Right, let's go and see what we can catch. Right, we've come to our favourite little rock first. It's just as you come out of Cemaes towards Landbrig Church, I think that's how you pronounce it. No idea, so forgive me. But anyway, there's a little rock out there, just on the outside of the rock. I'm hoping we drift back in because the tide's heading in. Oh, we're in straight away. First drop. I thought, I'll just come and get the sabiki run out the way, just to get a few fish. And then after that, once you get fed up of unhooking pollock, then you try to go for the lures. Hoping to get a bass today, but I doubt it. You can see how choppy it is. Ugh. I don't think we'll be out here long, but I foul looked a little tiny one and got I wouldn't say decent one, but a bigger one. Let's get rid of this poor bugger first. He's foul looked. Quite a few showing on the founder, on the founder? The sounder. But anyway, we're off the blank. That's all that matters. Only been out 2 minutes. Look, we're in again. There's plenty of fish here. I think they're just bloody pollock though. Little baby one again. Ugh. Right, let's get rid of these sabikis. Might try for a few mackerel later on, but I'd sooner sit without. You know, once you've caught a few, you just want bigger ones. Right, let's go for a little 40-gram jig. Right, let's get back over the rock. Stop it. Right, let's try this little 40-gram jig. It's a nice school of fish going under me. No idea what they are. Probably herring. Right, we've got something on a 40-gram jig. Little tiny farty thing by the feels of it. Oh, okay, look at that. Keep still. He swallowed the jig that much it's come out the side of his gill plate. I'll try and get it through without knackering his gills up. Try and go through the back. Or can I unclip the jig and pull that through? That might be better. Right, let's get the jig out. I'm hoping I can pull that through. Yes! Good. Little farty thing. Causing grief. Oh, and he swum back down as well. Bonus. Right, we're just coming up to the rocket. There's plenty of fish on the sounder. Let's just drop it back down. Hope we don't get caught up in the kelp. Oh, that was a tap. Another. Yep. Oh, I'm too slow. Some small ones tapping it. Oh, again. Yeah, oh, that's a better one. Oh, that's the bottom. Shit. Snap me. Stop recording. I've just lost my little jig. Just putting on a sidewinder skerry. Probably lose this as well, but sick of losing these bloody lures. Still, you've got to go where the fish are. I'm just right at the end of the rock now, so probably won't get a take on this. What? Be nice if I did. Really look slow. I've just got the smaller Cemaes Pro on. I think they're about 20 odd grams. It takes a fortnight to get down. 3 to 5 business days to get back up again. There's a boat heading straight towards me. Boom! Ah. Right, no idea what this is going to do, but we've got a sliding ledger, and if I can catch him, on one of these little jelly worm things. Probably no good, but you got to be in it to win it. Oh, we're on again. Well, I've had to go back to the sabikis. I had nothing on the jelly worm. I was hoping to get a plaice or some sort of flatfish instead of a baby pollock. Oh, excuse me. More little tiny sticklebacks. But it's better than being in the house. Sorry, Nigel, you left beer on my boat. Possession is 9/10 of the law. Sorry, buddy. It's needed. Cheers, guys. Oh, guys, look at this. Seagulls are diving. There's dolphins around me. I'm just trying to get on the outskirts of them. I'm hoping the dolphins show up. He's right next to the boat. Oh, seagulls just diving over there. Oh, here's a dolphin. Oh, wow. He's right next to me. Oh, it's a porpoise. Beautiful. Oh, God. I don't want to try and miss out on a bass if I can, so I'm going to keep flinging the lure. Ooh, guys, I've just dropped the sidewinder lure down again, and I think we've got, has it come off? I don't know if it's swimming towards me or a little farty thing. But I'm over the big rock. I normally get some decent fish from here. I think it's just a titty baby one. But it didn't half go with a... Yeah, it's titty baby one. Didn't half go with a... Right delta that was. Nothing massive, but it'll do. Sick of catching pollock today though. I haven't even put a quarter of them on what we've caught. Get off. Don't break my lure. Oh, all over my vape. Cheers, fish. As it do that, hooked itself on the tail. Got a disabled sidewinder now. Drifting at 3.2 knots. Crazy. So I want to come this side of the rock. Thought that was the bottom then, but I think it might just be a couple of small ones. I can't keep the lure straight, the drift's too fast now, so I've just put an 8-ounce lead on with a couple of sabikis just to get down to the bottom for the last half hour. Yeah, a couple of tiny ones. There's just friggin' hundreds of these things, similar size. Just all day, it's just, you just get sick of catching them. I want some different species. I had a little gurnard, but even that was tiny today. But it's another species off the list this year. Oh my, right off the rock already, but we'll have another drop. I don't know if you can see this boat rocking around. I don't know if it show up on the camera. Ooh. Little peckers again. More pollock. Wonder if I can get down with that little 40-gram lead. Gotta be worth a try. I can't keep catching them all day. Well, for what time I've got left, we might as well have a go, haven't we? Oh, I felt like a better lunge. Oh, it's still a titty baby. Haven't had any decent sized ones today. Fish finder's just full. I'm going to put that jig on. Forget this side one, sabiki nonsense. Right, we're just about to go in. Running out of time again. I've just been putting the rods down. Beautiful day and the wind's pretty much held off. Better than I was expecting. Well, the swell had a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next video. Not sure when I can get out again. I think the winds are forecast for 28 mile an hour next weekend. Sod's law because I'm off work, but we have to roll with it. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.